Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like outline glow on top of a black and white video. Copy and paste your videos like so. I'm just going to copy it 2 times. Then on the third video you're going to go to effects and you're going to search for neon. Then you're going to select the neon outline and add it into your image like so. And then you're going to pick a color, or if you like the colors that they already have, skip this part. And then you're going to, I'm going to delete this part, sorry, I think you only need 2. Then find edge glow and add it to, like on top of the video. Then find angel and add it as well and adjust the strength like that. Select everything, right click, create compound clip, and then on the first video go to adjustments and turn down the saturation. Then go to the second video again, go to blend mode and choose the color burn or multiply or brighten. Okay, maybe use brighten or screen. It doesn't really show because like the video is dark and it's already black and white anyways, but it does work with like other videos. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!